MFG. So man, we just gonna jump right into it. We are back on this thing here, and today we're gonna figure out these emergency brakes here. Should I say the parking brake? Now, as you can see here, let me get up out of here. As we see here, we have adjustability down the line, which comes right here, and we got a. We can adjust right here, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not doing neither one of these. What I need to do is, as you can see, it's off in here. This here will no longer be able to be in here, but it'll work out right here though. Even if I had to, I could probably put, just to be on the safe side, a zip tie right in here or something to keep it right there. But it shouldn't affect us at all. So, but anyway, here's our other one here, right here. So, I think I'm gonna have to take this out of this little piece here, unhook this one here, which is probably gonna break because it's been in there, and be able to get that line in there. Now, we have to cut these pieces off this end here, and we'll make our adjustments here. We'll end up pushing this piece here through here and putting an end on the end of this and pull it all the way up to there and make sure that it's tight. Same, it's gonna be the same thing on this side. I gotta put my spring in, but as you can see for right now is that I can't get this thing to come around here and come through this way without, I'm gonna have to loosen all this stuff up and probably gonna have to bring this thing here over the top here and bring it in some more. Now, what I didn't realize was that I needed maybe an extension, but maybe this might work. If this doesn't work, then I might have to buy their extension kit, but I don't think I need it. I think I just need to bring that piece across here, turn it in, and pull it straight through. It should work. It should work, but we'll see. So let's get set up. Give me a 1/2 inch, get these pieces off, and then we'll see what we can do. All right. But one thing for sure, we'll have, which I don't want to do that, we'll have that side done by the end of this video, and these bled out, and we'll take a drive and see what we're looking like. All right, so take this damn bracket off. Let's see this thing right here. Yep. Okay, make sure I'm, okay. We just gotta get your ass on there. Just raise that up anyway, but I need to get this here. I don't need to take it off. Forget it. We'll just let it stay. But I need this one off for sure. All right. Put you down there. Now let's see if we can get this mug to stretch here. Somehow I need it to come. Hopefully you guys can see me over there. I need this thing here I need it to do a thing like that. And let's see here. I need this to go around here. And I need to get that bracket off, because let's see if this here we can work that. Yep, there we go. There we go. And we'll get that in there like that. That will work just like that. And I'll zip tie it right there. Zip tie it just like that. Yep, that will work. All right, y'all, so let me get y'all here. You see it? So, bring it right around here. I'm gonna cut this off. But see, all this is gonna move as one unit. So, it'll be okay. It won't be no rubbing or none of that. I'm gonna zip tie it back this way a little bit, just like that. And keep it like that. And it runs right up in there. Yep. So, this worked out a whole lot better than what I thought it was gonna do. And I gotta cut the end of this off so we can shoot it right through there. I gotta put the spring on first. Yes. Yep. Yep. And then this here is my airline to my airbags and stuff like that. That crap need to come off because we putting some new ones on. Everything. I don't know if you can see that right there, but that doggone crap is coming out. We got new shit. Yep. All right, y'all, so let me get something to cut this, and I need to cut this off too. Try to make this look a little better, and because we're not gonna need it, because this piece here is holding everything down. And I'm gonna screw that screw back in there to make sure that stays right there. So I'm gonna cut this one off. So I decided not to cut that one because we're kind of close to too many things on this bracket. And it looks like that I can pry that off of there. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. There we go. Okay, now let's open it up a little more and see if we can just get that cable out of there. Okay, let's do it again. There we go. Yep, that would do wonders for us. Yep, we'll be good there. Alrighty. So we're just gonna transition right into our damn cable we need to cut. Push that cable back through there. Let's bring it through. Oh, I need the on here. Let me go get that spring and try to pry this thing back up into position. Really? This is what we want to do? Trying to run away from work? That's what we're doing? Oh boy. Your job is what your job is. And that's to provide support. So these are the pieces that they provided in the kit. So these should work out. Get your ass back in there. It's always something that don't want to cooperate. Okay. Thought we was done, but we're not. let's see if we can pull this motherfucker out anyway. Should be able to pull it out. Okay, so we can't pull it out. So why are you being an asshole? Why are you being an asshole? You're gonna make me do something wrong. Slide it back some because a lot of this I'm gonna cut off anyway. So if we damage anything, let's damage the shit we gonna cut off already. Damn you. Okay, there we go. Okay. Now, I need to find me a zip tie so we can, I want to zip tie this, what you call it, first before I do anything. And, should I say this cable, I want to zip tie it before I do anything. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I want to zip tie this here. See, it's up against this shock, so I push it down here, right here, and then I zip tie it right there on the metal piece to that. Then we should be good to go. Shouldn't be no issues whatsoever. And then I need to cut the other side over there, and then yeah, we'll come back and put the pieces on here. All right, guys. So my son in here, he gonna hit these brakes, and hopefully y'all be able to hear what he's talking about. Go ahead, get it started. Pop it, see what it's doing. It should be good already. I'm thinking. I was feeling it. No, it's soft, ain't it? Mm-hmm. Okay, pump it. Let me know when it get hard. That should be good. Hold it. Push it to the floor. Okay, hold it.
It's all the way down?
Okay, hold it. Go ahead, pump it up. Hold it. And when it busts, push it all the way to the floor. One more time. How I feel? How I feel?
I don't know. It feels so soft to me. You want to come check it?
No, we ain't done yet. We got to do it on the side. Keep going. Hold it.
stiffer now. It's probably good. Check it out.
We ain't done yet, man.
Oh, well, I'm gonna see where you.
Hold that. Car